So my body is 82 years, I've been in this body for 82 years, over 82 years, and it still works well for me. And mainly because I express my love to it and my appreciation for it. And if we do that, it helps to ward off any other, diseases and things that might occur. And whenever I have some kind of a disease or an illness attack me, and I thought, oh goody, now I can figure this one out. And there's always a simple way that we can get well again. And one of the main reasons we get sick is because of something we're thinking about, or something that we ate, or one thing or another that got us out of alignment with ourselves, and we experience what we think of as being sickness. Now, of course, there's times when you fall on the pavement, somebody trips you trip and fall on the pavement and crack your head open or something. Well, yeah, that may no telling what you were thinking, but now we need to do something for that. And one of the simplest things is when we get an injury is to put our hands on it. If you're gushing blood, you put your right hand on it and your left hand over it. And you think loving thoughts about yourself and to this wound that's going on. And then if it's just a bruise, you put your left hand down first and your right hand over that. And that draws healing energy to the site of the injury. And it works. One time I was running down a creek bed, jumping from boulder to boulder with my girlfriend, and she came up short. So she landed on her shin on the boulder. And you could see the bruise of that just trying to turn blue almost immediately and swelling up right before her eyes. And I put my left hand on it, my right hand over it, and I held that for about an hour. And then it was all good to go. Swelling was gone, never turned black and blue, and went on. Nothing special about my hands, it's just used the method that works. So it's the modality that works so well. And yeah, you can do the same thing, it's so easy. And another thing, and there's no end to the little discoveries you can make when you start looking at how these things work. One of them, I don't know.